Hey you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another kitchen decorating video. So I'm sharing some new decor and updated changes that I've made to my kitchen over the past year or so. This is kind of a follow-up video to my initial DIY makeover kitchen video. So if you want to see that more in-depth makeover and decorating process, I'll have that one linked below for you guys. So I'm kicking this one off with decorating my soffits. Now, my soffits in this kitchen are my least favorite thing about this kitchen. So I am trying my best to work with them and make them more appealing. So I have decided to start collecting different plates and dishes and putting them up on the soffits as decor. I found a really good plate hanging kit on Amazon that I've been really happy with. I'll have it linked below if you guys are interested. And then I brought these small little art pieces over with me from my kitchen in my old house that I'm finally getting around to putting up in this small little nook by my dining table. And then over above my kitchen island, I previously had a plate and mug rack hanging up here, and I have ended up changing that completely and going for a very different look. I wish my kitchen got a little bit better natural light, so I thought what better way to fake some natural light than put up a mirror. I picked this mirror up on Facebook Marketplace and paid about $8 for it. Unfortunately, all the footage that I recorded of me painting and detailing this mirror got ruined. And then along with the mirror, I decided I wanted to do a mini gallery wall with some different botanical prints. I picked up a whole slew of picture frames from at home for half off, and these are such good quality. I really did like the wood, but I wanted my frames to match the same finish on my kitchen dining chairs, so I went ahead and spray painted these with some satin black paint. So I only had 2 of them to begin with, so that's all you're gonna see in this video. But since then, I have purchased 2 more prints to accompany these on the other side of the mirror. I'm also gonna link the shop that I bought these vintage original illustrations from down below. And as soon as I hung this mirror up, I knew I wanted to put a tiny little wreath on it. So of course I had to go grab my boxwood wreath here. I recently added a Harlequin bow to it, and I used a suction cup to hang it right up. And here's a look at how that mirror turned out. I painted it white and added some gold detailing with my favorite gold foiling paint. And moving on, I had recently picked up this fruit bowl with a banana hanger. I had wanted a banana hanger fruit bowl for a while, and I had been keeping my eyes peeled for the right one until it came along. This was only $6 at Home Goods. So I always thought that hanging your bananas up kept them from over ripening too quickly. But one of my friends just squashed my dreams and told me that hanging them up does nothing. I also got a utensil crock because I felt like I needed a little bit more decor on my countertops. I still have all of these teal blue cooking utensils. These things have been with me since my first apartment out of college. They definitely don't go with my aesthetic anymore, so I'm hoping to get a new set in the near future. I also picked up this little faux painting from Target. I had my eyes on this for many months and it kept being sold out, so when I finally saw it in the store, I was super excited. If you watch my channel regularly, you know I love to decorate my coffee nook seasonally. Right now, I'm just decorating it for everyday life. No theme, no season going on right now. So I'm just incorporating some really simple decor details. This little blue and white windmill vase I thrifted from Salvation Army for 99 cents. And then I'm just adding a few different faux florals and plants into it. I found this small rectangular dish at Home Goods for $3.50, which I am using to put a couple different items on. moving on over to the dining side of my kitchen. Here I have this large jute twine-like basket that I purchased specifically to go with this very large fiddle leaf fig tree. I had been wanting to get a fiddle leaf fig for this corner for many months, and I finally pulled the trigger. After doing lots and lots of research about which ones are the best, this is the one I ended up with. It is from World Market and it is really good quality, although it is not cheap. But I did have to do some fiddling with the fiddle fig leaves to get them to lay how I wanted them to. I've also collected a couple other pots and plant stands that I wanted to arrange around the fiddle leaf fig. I would say this little plant corner isn't fully how I want it to look yet, but it's getting close. This china cabinet is also a newer addition to my kitchen dining area. I did a whole video just about getting this and decorating it, so I'll have that link below as well. So this large oil painting here was another Facebook Marketplace find, and I think my favorite one ever. It is an original oil painting and I only paid 40 bucks for this huge thing, and it's exactly the color schemes that I love. So one thing I knew I wanted was to get a rug underneath my dining room table and chairs. I purchased 2 or 3 different rugs and tried them out in this space and was not happy with any of them. And then one day on a whim, I decided to try using some leftover floor squares that I had from my old house. Now I'm not sponsored by Flor in any way. That would be great if I was. I purchased these initially to make a hallway runner in my old house. They are bright teal and leopard, which is definitely bold and vibrant. I was really unsure how it was gonna mesh with the rest of my decor, but I actually really ended up loving it. I think it's a really kind of unexpected pop of pattern, but the colors still fit in with most of my decor, so I think it works. And I am so glad that I remembered that I had these sitting in my basement because they fit the space just perfectly. And on the plus side, I didn't have to spend any money on a new rug. And of course, I have to partake in the kitchen candle lighting ceremony. And now I'm gonna just give you guys a little bit of an overview walkthrough of all the new decor in my kitchen. Like I said, there is tons that I didn't go over in this video that are from that previous video, so make sure you check that one out. I still have more plans to update this space, one of them being changing out this fan light fixture in the main kitchen area. And slowly we are still updating our appliances. So we've bought a new dishwasher and fridge since we moved in, and next will be the stove and microwave. I also switched out the ugly track lighting above my kitchen island for some beautiful pendants since I filmed this, and added a chandelier over my table. So I'm thinking I'll post a full kitchen tour and even more updates in the next couple of months. If that interests you guys, make sure you let me know in the comments and leave this video a thumbs up. I also have videos all about how I made over my dining chairs and dining table, DIY the entire thing. Both the table and chairs were thrifted. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I post tons of my home decor over there. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you like home decor videos like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!